Alright, in this video we're going to show you how to install our latest WordPress theme from the LeadsMarket publisher portal. Some of the things we'll cover are downloading the theme, installing the theme on your new WordPress, activating it, and then customizing it to make sure it's to your liking before you go live. You're going to start by going over to your campaigns. Under campaigns, you can pick any campaign that you want. After you go to that particular campaign, under the WordPress templates section, you're going to go ahead and see the following. After you click download template, you're going to go ahead and put your brand name in there. It could be whatever you want. Then you're going to go ahead and download the template. Once the template is downloaded to your computer, you're then going to go to your WordPress instance, and then you're going to go under Appearance and Themes. Once you're in the Themes section, you're going to go to the very top and click Add New. What you're then going to do is upload it because the file is actually on your computer. Once you locate the file, you go ahead and install now. Once it's been installed, you're then going to go ahead and activate it. And once you've activated it, you're going to see the following options. You're going to see the site title be the same exact thing that you entered in on the publisher portal. Then you can go ahead and update the site title text color, or you can add your own logo. You can then also change the main background image. You can also change the background color if you don't want an image, the text color for the body, the button background color for the form and the call to actions, and the button text color. From there, you also have form settings for your title color on the actual form and the background color for the form. You can also set the opacity from 0 to 100. 0 being no opacity or transparent or not even there. What we also have that came in from that particular download is your campaign ID. So whatever campaign ID that you actually downloaded it from automatically sets it here. So you're pretty much ready to go. Your brand name is going to be there as text. You can add your logo if you have an image. A PNG, transparent PNG would be the best. And then you hit save. Now once you hit save, you can then check out what it looks like on the front end. At the top here you have the admin bar, which your users will not see. So, in conclusion, once you install, you activate, and you update your settings to your likings, you're ready to go and start promoting the campaign. Thank you for watching.